Hello everyone! Managing color palettes in Blender can sometimes be a bottleneck that hinders our creativity. In this video, we are going to discuss Color Hunter by Coplax. This tool is specifically designed to help you manage your color collections more systematically and efficiently. Let's start with the source section. This feature is highly flexible, allowing you to pull color references from various platforms like Coolors and Colorhunt, or even simply copy hex codes from plain text. With these diverse source options, you have full control over determining the visual references for your work. Next is the Auto Watch feature, which greatly aids in workflow automation. This feature monitors your clipboard in real time. When you copy palette data, the system automatically imports it directly into Blender. This significantly saves time, as you no longer need to perform repetitive manual tasks. Once the reference link is copied, Coplax will synchronize that data into your library, complete with automatic naming. This means you don't have to worry about naming each asset individually. To keep your outliner organized, all colors will be grouped into a collection named Coplax palettes. Each color is displayed as a cube object with precise shader settings. With this method, your workspace remains tidy, allowing you to focus on the essential aspects of your design. If your color collection becomes extensive, you can use the search function to quickly find specific colors. Additionally, you can hide palettes that are not currently in use to keep your screen clean and manageable. One important thing to note is data security. These palette folders are temporary and can be accidentally deleted. To ensure your colors are permanently saved within the Blender file, it is highly recommended to export the collection to JSON format or rename the materials. This step ensures your color assets remain safe as metadata. That concludes the explanation of Color Hunter's functions for professional color management. Thank you for watching this material. Feel free to utilize these features to boost your productivity. See you in the next tutorial session.